Hi, this is Shashank, who is one of my friend here at University of East London. He's been staying inside the university campus for around
8 months.
8 months. So let's ask him few questions. Hi Shashank, say hi to the viewers.
Hi.
What hi?
Hi
कुछ तो
everyone.
बोलो.
Hi everyone.
How are you?
Yeah. How are you? And
Merry
he's-
Christmas.
And don't watch his video. He's a very irritating guy.
Ah,
And Merry Christmas to everyone. And
Happy.
and I hope your New Year will be good.
and a happy new year.
Your
So-
New Year will be good.
हाँ.
And let's see. And if you guys are coming, best of luck.
बीच में हिंदी में भी बोल.
हाँ, if you guys are coming, आपको best of luck and let's see.
సో దిస్ ఈస్ లైక్ గివింగ్ యూ అంటే యూనివర్సిటీలో అకామిడేషన్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది ఒక చిన్న వీడియో అంతే. మీరు యూనివర్సిటీ అకామిడేషన్ తీసుకోవచ్చా? ఈజ్ ఇట్ బెటర్ టు గో విత్ యూనివర్సిటీ అకామిడేషన్ ఆర్ రాదర్ టేకింగ్ అన్ అవుట్ సైడ్ అకామిడేషన్? లెట్స్ డైవ్ ఫస్ట్. సో శశాంక్, వై यूनिवर्सिटी अकोमोडेशन?
सो पहले तो मैं एक बात बोलना चाहूँगा, डिपेंड करता है आपका बजट क्या है, व्हाट इज़ योर बजट, बिकॉज दैट थिंग इज़ दैट कि हम जब लास्ट बटन डाउन यप वेट या सो पहली चीज़ सबसे बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर जो है यूनिवर्सिटी अकोमोडेशन डिसाइड या फिर कोई भी अकोमोडेशन अगर आपको डिसाइड करना है, यू आर चूजिंग सम अकोमोडेशन, सो फर्स्टली यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट योर बजट, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी आप फीस पे करके आए हुए होते हो, आपने वीज़ा का फीस पे किया होता है, तो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली आपका 18 to 19 लाख का खर्चा हो चुका होता है. तो ऑलरेडी एक बहुत बड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट आप अपने एजुकेशन पे लगा चुके होते हो. एंड देन यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर एक्सपेंसेस टू. इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग अ लोन, also if you are personally financing yourself, if your parents are financing yourself, still you guys think about the cost of living. अगर आप लंदन में रह रहे हो, पहला चीज़ तो बजट आता है. दूसरी चीज़ आती है कि चलो बजट हो गया, तो प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि अकोमोडेशन कैसा चाहिए. अगर आप बाहर अकोमोडेशन लेते हो तो आपको शेयरिंग बाथरूम होता है, शेयरिंग किचन होता है, और आपको पर्सनल रूम मिलता भी है तो काफ़ी छोटी स्पेस में मिलता है. जैसे अभी मनी ने मेरे रूम का वीडियो दिखाया ही है आप लोगों को, तो इट्स क्वाइट अ बिग वन. मैंने सबसे पहले जो अकोमोडेशन लिया था, मेरा यूनी में बाहर था, वो बहुत छोटा रूम था, कंजस्टेड रूम था, और पैसे भी मैं ज़्यादा देता था. 600 पाउंड में उधर भी देता था, एंड यहाँ पे मैं 700 पाउंड्स देता हूँ, तो 100 पाउंड्स में मेरे को थोड़ा बड़ा रूम मिला है.
let's get back to living expenses. Next
So
question.
I will say depending on your budget, depending on what you are looking out for, and third thing is that अगर आप यूनी में रहते हो तो आपको बहुत सारे प्रॉफिट्स होते हैं. आपको जिम एक्सेस होता है, टीचर एक्सेस होता है, क्लास एक्सेस होता है, लाइब्रेरी एक्सेस होता है, कंप्यूटर लैब एक्सेस होता है, तो काफ़ी आपको फैसिलिटीज़ मिलती हैं जो आपको बाहर नहीं मिलती.
Okay. Coming to next question. Cost of living inside university accommodation. Tell us few things about how about the electricity bill, how do you do your laundry
So
or food, etc. etc.
So the thing is, cost of living, firstly I will tell you, in the university it goes around 950 pounds, 950 pound के अराउंड आपका पर मंथ का कॉस्ट जाता है. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, वाईफाई, वाटर, everything is included. You don't have to be worried about that thing. But for laundry, there is a company laundry facility is available by university. So you have to give around 6 pounds for every laundry. There are 3 pounds for washing and 3 pounds for drying.
Okay.
That's the worst part of this university, where if you want to wash clothes, if you are doing twice a month also, it will go around 15 pounds, twice to thrice.
So next question. Is it easy to get a part-time here in UK or maybe inside the campus?
Firstly, inside the campus it's tough. I will say, reject that idea. Out of 1000 students, only 1 or 2 students get that opportunity. I will say, so it's less than 0.01% probability. Secondly, getting outside your university also in UK, स्टूडेंट्स अगर आप आ रहे हो तो आप अपना स्ट्रगल लेके आओ कि पार्ट टाइम मिलना इतना ईजी नहीं होने वाला है. डोंट थिंक इन दैट front ki
that's what I always
in
say.
second month or third month I will get a part time job. I personally तेजा और मेरे को 3-4 महीने लगे, मेरे को 6
At
महीने
least
लगे.
మీరు వచ్చేట్లయితే 3 or 4 months. It would take at least 3 or 4 months to get a part-time job here in UK. So
Yes,
be ready for it.
because he took 3 to 4 months. I took 6 months to get a part-time job.
So reference it plays a major role while you're searching for part-time.
Yes.
Networking, references.
Yes,
So
correct.
these are the things you have to
And
keep in your mind.
persistence. If
And
you are
persistence.
giving up that I'm not getting a job, I'm not gonna do that, because we both guys have worked till 4 months, 5 months just to get a job. You are struggling.
So don't lose hope.
Yeah.
Go out there, search for jobs.
And
go
be
to
a
high
fight.
streets.
Yeah.
There are high streets in
Yeah.
each town and cities. So go there, go to each shop and hand over your resumes there. And next question, what are the cheapest stores for food or groceries around UEL campus?
So basically, I will say there are two basic, very good supermarkets are near UEL. First is Lidl is there, and second is Asda is there, and it's on
So-
walking
sorry.
distance.
Lidl and Asda is like
DMart,
DMart
and V-Mart,
religious stores.
DMart, V-Mart,
Huh.
all these stores which are there in India, like that, there is a walking distance stores are there.
Huh.
You can walk around and you can get all your food stuff, all your clothing stuff, all your bed sheets, and if you want some utensils, you will have that.
My last and final question, how to select your friends group, which is a major and which is very important thing when you're studying in UK. If you have a bad group, your whole your whole college will be spoiled. And if you have a good friends group, you'll grow your networks, you'll grow your community. So
So
how do you choose?
So there
What
needs
to
to
go
be a 3 factors which when you are choosing a group. First, don't go in your community itself. Don't be in that front कि जहाँ मैं comfortable हूँ मैं वहीं दोस्त बनाऊँगा. That's the biggest problem in UK. We come from India and we feel like कि हमें उन्हीं से दोस्ती रखनी है जो हमारी लैंग्वेज में हो. लैंग्वेज बैरियर्स हम तोड़ना नहीं चाहते, पावर गैप हम नहीं छोड़ना चाहते. सेकेंड थिंग, पीपल हु आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ग्रोथ, try to be with them. If everyone is talking about growth, you are a part of that circle. Everyone will take them up in the ladder. And third thing is that important factor is that how much you are there to give efforts in your friendship. आप कितना efforts देना चाहते हो, that's an important thing. हर समय आप दूसरे से efforts की expectation नहीं रख सकते, आपको खुद भी efforts देना पड़ेगा. प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि मैं क्यों बात करूं, मैं क्यों समझूं, मैं उसकी हेल्प क्यों करूं. ये चीज़ों के चक्कर में हमारा एटीट्यूड फैक्टर इंडिया में इतना रह चुका है कि हम किसी से बात ही नहीं करते.
So stop
And-
your ego,
And one,
talk to you.
yeah, talk to everyone. And one more thing is that there is an Indian stores out there in UK, not near to UEL. There is varieties there. Some local Indian shops are there. So don't miss India. और इंडिया का सामान यहाँ मिल जाता है तो इंडिया से माल मंगवाना, और ये मत सोचना कोरियर करो, फालतू का खर्चा है वो.
So there are high delivery expenses if you want to deliver something from India. So
Yeah.
it's gonna cost you more. So it's better to buy here rather than getting delivered from India.
Yes.
So that's a small Q&A. Maybe see you in next video. I don't know what I'm gonna make. Bye.
Don't follow him.
Do like, share,
Don't
subscribe,
Don't like, don't share, don't subscribe.
and share.
Yeah. Bye.
I don't know if
Negative
I
market.
have enough storage.